Assalamu alaikum friend. In the last tutorial, I was show you how to create a hello world program which I was run in the simulator. But in this tutorial, we will design our login page. So I don't need this hello world. I just remove this. So first of all, I'm going to erase and videos. So I'm going to add some colors in our program. So I'm using in the designing. I just copy first of all this because this is the method, so I just use this method. I just use here is color uh, white. So here I am going to use color white, so I just copy this color method 3 or 4 times, paste, paste and paste. So now it's showing here because the name of the color are the same. So the second one is transparent. The third one is color start and color end. So now all error has gone. So I'm going to use for white FF 6F. So now you can see the color using for the transparent 000000 and 80 you can add. So now it will be transparent color. The start color is 19, oh, sorry, 19 double A capital 88. So is the last one. End color is 23 capital A, oh sorry, capital A 7 D and 8. So I just use these three colors in my program. So save and close this one and close this. Okay, so I don't want to be close this one is because I want to create one drawable uh, in my drawable folder. So here create one, so new file, simple. I just create one file and drawable 24. So here the file name login background. So this file I just want to create in the, oh sorry, so here I just use xml. Okay, so you can see the file, it's empty file. You can write shape, press enter. So now I use the android uh, libraries, android equal to, so simple, write android, so it will auto suggest you which libraries you want to use from the android. So I just use android. Okay, so examine. After this android shape, I'm using rectangle like this, so it will be okay. So now I think some problem because like this. Okay, so now it's fine. Okay, so after this we just create gradient. Gradient is used for the designing. We use just right angle, so it will auto suggest you android full code angle. So just press enter and here you can write the angle what you want. So I just angle want 0. So after this you can just write end color. So color I want to end color Add the color libraries. Now I was add a color and name, so I just want this one. After this I want this, you can just write start color is I want start color. After this type is linear. Okay, so just close this, sorry, like this. Okay, so save it. Now just remove this one and go back to our go back to our main uh, activity main file. So here we just create a login design for main activity. So just write scroll down, scroll view. After this match parent all. Okay, so here just add one more tool, and above at the tools just to use background we can use in the background. Now by using the background, which will I created now, login background. So here you can see the designing, but now it will not show fine exactly. And okay, so we have done one mistake, so that's why it's not showing the preview. So in the last, in the few minutes ago, we just created this file login, but we did not assign it has extension. So you must assign has extension, and in this extension file is xgmail. So it was now extension. So now I just created and continue. It will refactor. So you can just go to, now you can see the preview. Mm, so you can just go to the login and refactor and rename this file and add this .xml. So our background is now okay. So now we install some dependencies for our designing page. So go to first of all the app boil.gradle app module. So if you can simply copy the dependencies from the get my GitHub code link. So link is in the description of the video. So you can simply copy this link from the description and come on here and copy these two libraries and paste it here after the implementation. So paste it here. Now sync. Now it will syncing and adding these two libraries in my project. I already added this link in my description of the video, so you can come easily in this GitHub code and copy this to module. So it will be some showing some error. I just checked what is there. Okay, so it shows some error because we need to add some more dependencies of the show hide password text. So go back to our, so this is the project dependencies. I'm just added control plus C, yeah, like this. Copy this and add it to this module after the project dependencies added here. Okay, so when you added these two dependencies after the main repositories, you can just add this one also from here, copy and add it at the all projects. Okay, so I just copy these two and add it to after this repositories and paste here. Okay, now you can try again. let's see what happened. So we'll wait some time because it will Gradle manifest file loading. So now it's perfectly loaded all. So in this GitHub link I already provided in the description of the video, so you can simply go there. So I just close now these two files. Now come back to our main page, designing. So in the scroll view, first of all I just created a new layout, linear layout. So this is the match parent and match parent space, and now again, so orientation is vertical. Okay, so after this I'm using a relative layout. Again create one more layout in rate. This one is, it will be 205 dp weight, and height is 45 dp 45 dp. So this is the relative layout, because I just want to add a small layout in here. Okay, so gravity, not layout, so layout gravity. Layout gravity center. After this, margin top 30 dp. Sorry, not sp, as dp. Margin right 10 dp. Margin left 10 dp. Okay, so this is our new layout. Now I'm going to add inside some text. So here is a text view, rep content. So add it like this. So after this I'm set some text. So here is a heading of our app, tourism application. So this is the heading. Now text style bold. Text size is 25 sp. Text color asterisk FFF triple F, because I want white color. Center and parent true. Okay, so now you can see the text preview. Tourism application is not showing. Okay, so text is not showing perfectly because our text is out of the our relative layout. So here I am going to just add match parent, and this one add to 50 dp. Okay, so like this. Now you can see the text is perfectly. Okay, so after this layout I close. After the layout I'm just add another layout. So it will be match parent and rep content like this. But I'm just assign the idea of this relative layout id login second layout, relay layout, r layout. Okay, so after this So margin left 20 dp. Okay, so some down. Margin right 20 dp. Margin top 60 dp. And orientation is vertical. Orientation or okay, so it will not give the option, so we just write the Android or int atn or orientation equal to vertical. Okay, so in the inside we use edit text is a match parent width and height is the rep content. Okay, so after this so first of all I assign the id login user name, login username. Margin, I'm just using simple margin 10 dp. After this padding 15 dp. Okay, so background using a drawable. Okay, so here we need some drawable files, maybe Java activity, and here I want some drawable files, so I just copy all these drawable files from my system. If you don't have these files, so you can go to simply GitHub and login.xml, and you can find all these files and simply download it here and paste it into your system. Okay, so I already provide the GitHub link in the description of the video. So I just copied all this and pasted my drawable files. So you can simply just paste drawable 24. Okay, okay. So I already also added all files. So just remove this one. Okay, so now close this again and control this. Okay, so here I am just using a shape mail and the background design of my text file. Okay, so shape mail will it look like this. Okay, after this I am using drawable left. So drawable left I am using the IC person black 24 preview. Okay, so here as you can see the option of the uh, person. So okay, so drawable padding is 10 dp. Okay, drawable padding is 10 dp. Hint enter user name. So this is the hint. And for type is a text person name, and text color highlight text color highlight, so it will be white triple F. Okay, so now this is our text color highlight. Okay, so here is not at the rate asterisk like this. Okay, so our edit text is complete. Now I am using the password field. So if you just write show hide password, the first one option, you just press enter, so it will automatically you can create the directory. So here is a match parent and rep content. Okay, so after this again I just created id for the password field, id login password, so password p is capital. Okay, so after that margin 10 dp, padding 15 dp, background. So here I am just using a shape mail in the background. Okay, so drawable left using IC black again 24, IC person black 24, drawable padding 10 dp, hand password, and text color not highlight color, that will be ff because I want now text color hand. This will be also white, and input type is txt password. So input type is a txt password. Layout below username, so login username, drawable hide. Okay, so it is a drawable hide, use it drawable /ic visibility on. Okay, so I just copy this line and paste it again here, but this will for the show, and here is you can just run off. Okay, so this on off these two files, as you can see, visibility on and off, these two files you can add it here. Okay, so when this complete, after this again I just created one more inside in the relative layout, add. Okay, so add this rep content and both of the rep content. Okay, so I'm just added the id. Okay, so login stay me logged in. Okay, so no, first of all I just added forgot forget password. Okay, after this text, not text alignment, I'm using a text. Okay, so it is a layout, so here is not showing the text, but below layout below I'm using after the password, login password, like this. Okay, so here I'm just edit text view, This will be rep content and rep content. Okay, so here this one I'll be using match parent, not rep content. Match parent. Okay, so after the text view I'm just text forward person. Okay, so here I just r layout this id, and id here is login forgot password, like this. Okay, so after this text forget password and layout right, margin right is a 20 dp, margin left is a 20 dp, margin bottom 10 dp, and margin top 0 dp. Okay, so all is this. After text color hysteric ff, white color, gravity, center, and align and parent, align parent right, align parent right, align parent right equal to true. So drawable left is a IC lock person, IC lock open block, this one. Okay, so drawable padding is 6 dp and padding 4 dp. Okay, so this is the designing. After this, so after the layout, first layout here, and this will be like this. So in here, after the first layout, creating one button for this one is a match parent, and second one is a rep content id btn sign in. Okay, so this will be sign in button. So below forget password, login forget password. So here is a r layout password, r layout, so like this, because we are outside of the layout, so I did not use of this id variable outside of this layout. So here like this. Okay, so now again text sign in. Okay, so after this you can use a line parent top, line parent top true, shadow color is Android transparent color I am using. So if you transparent color, padding 15 dp, margin right 10 dp, margin left 10 dp, margin bottom also 10 dp, and margin top 10 dp. So what is doing background, I'm using background the shape login. So here you can see shape login. Okay, so it will be 10 dp like this. But it will be okay. So we did one mistake in the here, it's not top, it's a right. Okay, so this is designing, as you can see we have done. So after that we use some text view for other properties, rep content and also rep content id used for the sign up button, login, sign up like this. So text we register user, margin right, sorry that's not type, it's a right equal to 20 dp, margin left 10 dp, margin bottom 20 dp, and margin top 20 dp, center and parent true, and drawable left, sign up. Here as you can see this drawable sign up, as you can see. So add this, after this drawable padding 6 dp, okay, so padding 4 dp, and layout below id, btn sign in, btn sign in. Okay, so after the below will be like this. So our uh, login page design is completed. So now as you can see and run the emulator React Native. Okay, so it will start the emulating and we can see the designing an emulator how it will look like. Okay, so emulator is starting now. When emulator is starting completed, then it will show the. Okay, so now as you can see our APK is installing in our emulator. So as you can see is the installing. So if it will be installed, it will automatically launched. So unfortunately it will stop. You can see where is the. Okay, so error is showing, that's because our this is resolution of the React Native emulator is small, but I have the background resolution is big, so that's why it's showing some problem. So you can install create new virtual device and is the very big resolution and screen of the emulator. So I just created a new emulation and now run again and see what happened. Gradle build running and it will be in this emulator now. So okay, so as you can see our device is looking like this working. So you can see show password and hide password. So this text is be is a white color, so just click it here. uh, so here you can use hand color asterisk FFF, so it will be white, and text color static FFF. So now it's run, now run again and see what happened while the project running. Okay, so it will installing and launching activity. Okay, so now as you can see the color of the username, it will be white. So and here is the white color. Also show password. And okay, so now this work is done. So the next tutorial will show you the register user code, because we will sign and create design a new page for the user registration. So this will be necessity. After the next video, then we'll starting our coding and the Java and database community. Okay, so inshallah meet you to next video. Bye. If you did not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe. Okay, bye. Allah.